Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a very simple price action strategy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on our daily updates. And if you're also liking the video, please consider hitting the thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hello guys, we are now live on Euro USD and today is Sunday. We will be trading on a OTC market. So to analyze the market quickly, however, the OTC market has been in a downtrend for a very long period. I just checked yesterday on a larger time frame, and right now if you see on the minor scale, the market is ranging between this level and this level. So let's just draw some quick key levels to have a better understanding of the market. And let's also try to analyze a larger time frame so that we can find some strong resistance and support level. Yes, this should be good. Let's just draw some key level over here. It's gonna take a lot of time for the market to reach there, but however we can use them. The market breaks down below this area, and on the upper frame I feel this should be a good resistance level. So this can be the resistance level. So let's just wait and see how the market moves, and then we will take a trade accordingly. I'll just skip forward and save some time of yours. So once I take the trade, I'll explain you the trading setup in detail. Guys, you can see I've taken a quick 5-minute trade over here, and I'll explain you the setup once the trade is over. Unfortunately, we lost another trade today, and it was very close. In the very last second, we could see that market hit this very area and took support and moved back in the upward direction. So let me explain the setup here, guys, and also why I took this trade. Don't ignore all these lines. Let me just clear everything for you so that you can have a better understanding. All these trend lines, I just keep drawing in between, to see how good is my prediction and testing my levels of supports and resistance. So let me just clear this one. I'll tell you why this was placed. Okay, let me just be as it is and I'll tell you why I took the trade. So as you can see, the market is major trend of the market is a downtrend, and this was our retracement run and this was our trend run. So as the market started falling down, I noticed that the market might hit this level, and so Yeah, one moment. Oh, sorry. So as I noticed that this was our previous resistance level where the market was taking support from. As I saw the market break this level, I just wanted to confirm for the market to break this level. So this is our higher low swing. So that's the reason I waited for the market to hit this level, and the market went pretty smoothly in the downward direction without any kind of trouble. So I thought maybe yes, the sellers might have become strong. As you can see, there is good strong bearish candles. So this is an indication for me that the sellers have become strong, and that's the reason why I took a trade here. As you can see, this is a good bearish candle. I was expecting the market to continue fall down because the next level of support would be here. So we had good enough room for the market to breathe and fall in the downward direction. But unfortunately, market did not go in our favor, and market took a jump back from the area where the breakout happened. So this, you can think, what we can consider is this as a false breakout. So every breakout will not always go accordingly. There is something called false breakout. Just like this, we will find an indication that there is a breakout, but unfortunately it would be a fake or a false breakout. The market broke down, that was confirmed, the candle confirmation was there, and also the trend confirmation was there, and all in our favor, and that's the reason why I took a down trade. But as again, market is not in our control and we cannot do anything about it. All we can do is try to make a best analysis and take a trade favoring to our analysis. So that's the reason why I took a down trade here. And the reason I also did not trade in the Euro USD market is because I was not really liking the market. As you can see how choppy the market is, how volatile. You can see that there is no good price action. So I knew this is going to continue existing for a while. So that's the reason I moved to Euro GBP, where the market is much more stable and moving in a smooth manner. So that is it for the 5-minute session, guys. Also, as I said, I do not have much experience in the OTC market and overall trading as well. I've just started and I'm learning, and I'm sharing this journey along with you so that as I take trades, you can also learn from my mistakes and my strategies, so that you can make the best out of it. So that is it, guys. Let's come back tomorrow, and that's the reason why I'm taking just 100 rupees trades. Tomorrow will be Monday. Based on the market, we will see if we can take a trade favorable in our position. So that is it, guys. Thank you for being around. I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.